is bralam iloin agus bralam ve machani in iloin la awan agus bwalam lawr begnin fi iloin. Well, Rogu my Raur Kayla, my brother-in-law, in iloin on special. Tashi, well, it's iloin more raw. Tashi son Atlantic. Inokle Lechnish the Delmarva Peninsula. I guess well, top 3 iloin on Shinkati, Asati, I guess Nikubnalum and Kin Ella Erenchi Rugu ein Shinkati Betcher Nimikinsha Erenchi. Okay, Ken Fal will no 3 ilan Shin Murlara. Well, Toshid Lan le Kaplani Fion Pony Fion Pony Fiona Nachwil Shiggy Hinta. I guess Hugme Corcher in Iloin Shah Nurvime Og Limahishmahari Mar Torishti. I guess well we should even lawn the Coplany. I guess you know it's Feder Feko in the Coplany Ray Aaron Tra. I guess Tushid on beginning kuhul skittish. Ta egla or who egla lina or who, you know, I don't like people. Okay, well, Ken Fal will not 3 ilan sha lawn le coplany fion. Well, sha and star fado the rec long Spanish on. I guess ni wur na coplany bosh snov shit. I guess Hrikadish and Elon, or not 3 Elon. Ach ni ro bia on sna Eloin ach seaweed seaweed ach seaweed davri shin tashid on yag anish fado, you know, it's big quarter horses, you know, large, you know, couple more akanish kaplini piaga yet. So hitzach. Agus misha hurmi kesht mirar kayla kenfau imihu ilon lon la kaplini mar toshi in the honey Aaron mainland and ish. Well, I guess he wasn't as enchanted with them as I was. I don't know. Aaron he. Okay, Eloin Ella and our Eloin. So is that St. Kitts Neve Christopher? Wintier Mir Kayla. I guess Newshel on the Coplini, better Goshe Berlinis Simul. Toshid lawn le monkey fion. Ken Fal, well, lay maybe I can fi, I guess, you know, fuckle, mar, uckle, shin gadirik or lay me. The French brought them as pets, and they were liberated by the British. So it's, you know, fuckle beginning eshtach nor you know, monkey ata airplane hi lon lu monkey agus misha ni ni higme ni higam gomlashgam ni higam can hear imi an shan acher mir kela an iloin shin lon the monkey sprawl the monkey. Okay, well Elon ella well it's malum coplini agus it's malum monkey agus freshen it's bralum Gaeilge. So it's moilum iloin Gaeilge mar hampla hug me courage luma pashti in Ishman mar tashe gahivin an kyun agus non the Gaeilge agus Diggity wegnach agus malum wegness is malum cunis agus is malum drachamshire chui me snevru so tashe an kyun gaharda snevru so cannot just farlum ilan lan the monkey non the coplini ilan the Gaeilge well non the Gaeilge ni ban tropical me so but rather than them honey and inshma so fiber one on tagak tina in ilan Sha on Savra Mar Neil post new job a bit on so well that's perfect for me because I have no skills or experience Neil career agam Mark Hela's it's mileage arrogant because it's mileage aber so Sha me flan Shishin me flan to me exminu feel like rude is Fedra a Yanu in Elon the Gaeilge Nearly Sam and Nish if you have any ideas tell me like it's chemical or chemist so Nearly Sam well tell she on ledger Nearly Sam it's manish drach sure fresh oh it's kumalash Gaeilge it's kumalash like Neil seems a bit he barely cares about speaking English so Neil well but that's my dream so so yeah so Sha so iguni he makes me new concise mark